Look who it is, old Buster Mo.
Yeah.
You ain't cut nobody's beards ever again, Mo. Ridiculous. It's barely growing back. Anyways, good morning. We're about to start the day. I'm about to cut Mo's hair off. He doesn't know yet, but if you want to see Mo go bald, hit the red subscribe button. Okay, so me and Zule committed to eating healthier and being more healthy for 2019. So we've been on our meal prep kick. Cooking a sweet potato in the microwave right now. Got my sriracha chicken right here. About to eat my one of 5 meals today. So I can't wait. Excitement. Got a little break between clients, so I'm eating some food. Okay, end of the day. I didn't really film a whole bunch today. I was supposed to film a video on how to do a fade with the Speedo guards, but my model that I was going to use for that didn't show up today. So instead, I'm going to teach you guys how to zero gap the gold Barberless FX and deep clean them a little bit. So I've been using them for a whole week. To give you guys a little bit more thoughts on them. Check this out. I'm cooking my last meal prep meal right now. That's what the sound is for the microwave. So let's get started yanking these apart, and we'll get going. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna need a Barberless Gold FX, obviously. So here's mine. I've been using them all day. They're almost dead, but we're gonna take them apart. So, first things first, we're gonna start with these 2 screws here on the back of the blade. This is my first time taking apart the clipper though, so I'm kind of excited to see how this thing works. Okay, so right away you can see some hair there. Looks like this is spring loaded. There's a lot of hair in here. Damn, these things collect hair quick. Let's see how much hair is in here. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna call that good. This was all the hair that I got out of there though. Look at all that, just from a week's worth of use. That's crazy. Okay, the fellows are back, so I'm gonna clean all this up and then we're gonna get back to zero gapping it. Okay, so cleaned the hair out of there. This is now turned into a how to take apart the Barberless Gold FXs, because now I need to know what else is in here. So we're gonna start with at the bottom where this thing is. Let's see if I can get this bad boy up. This little hook thing. There's 3 screws at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Disclaimer, I am not responsible if you decide to take your clippers apart and you mess them up. I am not responsible. This is me risking my own clippers. I understand the risks. So, if you choose to do the same, that's on you. Putting that microwave to use, fool. Brussels sprouts. I'm on my healthy tip, G.
Just random shit, bro. He's warming up some Brussels sprouts.
No, I'm cooking some Brussels. I ain't warming up shit. I'm cooking.
Oh, that's a microwave. You can't cook in the microwave. You warm some shit up.
You cook in the microwave, fool.
Oh, you whippersnapper.
You whippersnapper, fool.
Whippersnapper.
Anyways, back to my professional.
Got that on tape.
Anyways, back to my professional video. So, once you get that out, this bottom piece comes out. Ooh, ooh. See how I just did that? This sleeve comes out, bro. I'm gonna customize the shit out of these. They break down this far. I gotta do something tight. So there's your mag light grip. See this hair all the way down in this handle already. Dang. Okay, here we go. So now you have clipper housing, motor, clipper housing, motor. You have 2 screws here. Let's take those out.
You're doing like he's talking. Well, when it's bad, it just drifts in there. Yeah, this is Wi-Fi around here sucks or something.
Because we ain't got no Wi-Fi.
We got a router.
With nothing in it.
That was the Wi-Fi thing.
What Wi-Fi you connected to, fool?
It's, I don't know which one it is.
Verizon.
That might be it.
You got Verizon service?
No.
No, I think that's what this is. This is.
That's what Ruben said it was.
Yeah.
It was
And
like,
I don't know
oh,
the code.
you can have it, don't give it to
Because my phone is connected to Verizon too, for a Verizon one too. But I'm like, I wouldn't have. It wouldn't just jump on the network.
Well, he gave me the Wi-Fi code. He was like, go ahead, you can have it. Push the button and it comes up. Fucking slow.
Okay, so once you remove these two screws, okay, once you remove those two screws, this should open up. And I say should because I've never done this before.
If you lift up and then stop it over there, so
Well, I don't think this is supposed to. I think what's supposed to happen, bro, is I think this is supposed to slide out. I think this is all one unibody because I don't see any screws in here to disconnect. Disconnecting this screw is not going to do anything. I think that this is designed to just somehow shimmy shake up out of there.
Shimmy shake.
But I'm not going to risk that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything back together. This is as far as I got. This should be able to get you to deep clean good enough. So let's put it back together and then let's zero gap it. Like any lesson in life, boys, you need to learn when to pull out. And this is the moment that I am choosing to pull out. Tighten everything down.
Shit don't work the same.
Why you say stuff like that?
I'm a positive person. Don't get me
That
wrong.
was nothing about that was positive.
That was fucking positive.
Nothing
I'm just
about that
saying,
was
you're
positive.
I don't want to see you angry. Like, you're a really nice guy. Like, it'd be fucked up to see you pissed off that shit don't work the same.
You know what I'm doing if they don't work?
Got that one.
Taking these bitches right back to the stove. Okay, so we got the clipper back together now. Right. So now we're gonna zero gap it. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna align our two guides into the hole, like so. Now this is spring loaded, so don't expect it to sit flat. This is spring loaded, so as long as your two guide pins are in your holes, you should be good. Now, we're gonna take our steel blade, we're gonna push this down, boop. You're gonna align now you're gonna line up your holes. We're gonna get one in there just to get it started, and then we'll get the second one in there also just to get it started. So just a side note, I can tell just on the quality tip, I can tell that the paint on the screws is starting to fade on these after messing with them a little bit. So just a heads up. None of the other coating is coming off, just on the screws. So I don't know if that means anything. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna back these off just slightly so we can move the blade. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to slide our blade. So you want to have your lever all the way closed, obviously, right? And then we're going to slide this blade back and forth until we get a good zero gap. Now, just off the rip, I think you can just push your blade straight back. And that's pretty gapped by itself. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'll take a picture of it and show you guys. That's pretty gapped right there. So let's go ahead and just tighten that, and then we'll figure out if it's too close or if it's, you know, perfect. So we're gonna tighten this down. Okay, so that looks pretty damn gapped. But now let's test it to see if we are too close. Just because we don't want to be too close and actually cause damage to the skin. Looks pretty good, so let's test them out. Damn. Okay, so tested them out. Freddie's allergic to them. And that's how you zero gap them. So literally, you just loosen these two blades, slide this all the way back until it doesn't slide no mo, and then always double check that cutting blade isn't overlapping the steel blade. But that gapped him perfectly, though. I mean, I wouldn't personally set him any closer than that. So I mean, good on Babyliss for doing that. So cool.
Your container right there.
A little sriracha chicken. Some sriracha chicken.
This is like your packaged meal that I've been, like, people been packaging meals and shit.
My meal prep, but it was like quick and easy because I didn't have time this morning. So I just threw some shit together. So I got a bag of Brussels sprouts, a whole sweet potato, and a couple pieces of sriracha chicken. That's my meal. That's my last meal of the day. So till I get home, and then I'll have one more meal. But yeah.
What do you get when you get home? What are you gonna eat when you get home?
Probably same thing. Except for I might substitute the sweet potato with some whole wheat pasta, and then the Brussels sprouts with probably like some broccoli or something. But I got some chicken. Then tomorrow I'm bringing steak and brown rice.
That's the diet.
You figured deal me?
Keto diet shit.
Anyways,
high
so
fat, low sugar type shit.
that is the end of the video. That is how you zero gap these. Oh snap! I didn't put them back together right. No, I'm playing.
You heard that.
They always did that.
Have some air in there.
You know you heard that.
So that's how you zero gap a pair of Babyliss Gold FXs. I'm gonna enjoy my last little meal. I'm gonna drink a cold one with the boys. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Sorry I didn't get to the Speedo guards today, but I'll try to do it tomorrow. Anyways, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's the Barber Teezy, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right in the middle, my little face thing, wherever it is right here. Hit that and subscribe and join the team. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button for your boy. And if you want to check out more content that I've made, click on this video here or this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.